Good morning, my dear students. Today is 5th October 2021 ka. Tuesday naman. So after the long gap, we have started our discussions in the last class. That means yesterday ka. Class discussion to and that class we have finished exercise 10.3 ka. 10.3 lesson gray. We are repeatedly telling you that if any doubt, if any one of you has got, you please clarify it through the WhatsApp or either through the phone call. SMS tharpani khangde WhatsApp to tharpani khangde na phone torgani khangde koi clear labelsing do labels the clear to ka. And how's it how the kanamtana lakrabanina? I do hope that everyone has understood the discussion taken place yesterday ka. Ganang takip the loina kangam mani hairamani na satore. Nira khangaba yaraba. Shall we go ahead? Makataba yaraba. Yareka. Aduna yanga nasi se satra karagi di painting competition su final round lai banika. Aduna you should be aware that no koi ki group ta miss na madam na sir na koi class master sing na loina thagalam mani na sata way. Aduna all students must have been arrived at the school in time. Tam sana yoram mani na khalika. So aduna yanga painting IBC so it is a part of this co-curricular activities ko school gi adugumba sahim gi sang daya draba calendar gi manung san ba adugumba activities amani aduna koi haiba hitab duna makhala manika na koi satra mayama yekre is very good that most of you have turned out in positive sense ka am kana baromda diagram phaja phaja mayam ye adu loimakti first prize second prize pi ba yadabani na koi na tara kadang khangkali do ka to final round ngasi tawrani ka Sedunenga, I'm gonna take Chatabida. Let's get focused on the textbook. Textbook the focus to Orshinga. Yesterday we have finished up to question number exercise 10.3 complete over. Question number 3 book over Nadra. So today we'll be starting discussion on some theorem ka. Theorem kana ina shinga. So first theorem is 10.6. So everyone look at that. Theorem 10.6 which is there on page number 177 ka. 177 yauriba. Theorem 10.6 to yenga. Sidamana kari hai the equal quarter circle or of a congruent circle are equidistant from the center hai bani. Sidamana hani se kai hai when a circle amada we can draw so many chords ka. Chord mayam yak payani. Yaroidra ne. Yaro na yaroidra. Yani ka I have a circle to the koi kai daure chord mayam yak payani ya mayam to ki makta kai daure some chord may be of equal length. Manaba khadi yarong gani yarong moidra. Compulsory yarong gani ka. Adune yanga yarong mayam sing se. There will be at the equidistance from the center. Center ki lap pam bana mapam da lai gani pam koi sing se ka. Adune ka fida theorem 10.6 na hai se. So your is theorem 10.6. Sida mana ai se nga lai da yawi badugi aina tongan ba wording da itoke ka. Moida sa mana da iroi ge equal chord of a circle the mana kari hai congruent circle ka na palika manung dama bracket ung yaw drenga congruent circle kari hai ki ba koi na mana ba hai ko triangle ki tolai nai nai ba ngata ni na congruence of a circle adi kayo dina they are would be of same radius ka radius sama na ba boy dini equal quarter circles are equidistant from the center. Center to lapo mana bakum de lai yani have any ka equidistant from the center. So man hari se diagram ini ko kianga. So let's take a circle. Kalau may area ka so this circle ma lai re circles ta kai dore we will be drawing two chord ni tang ye ke ka chord ti mayam lai doi ni to ani ka tang ye ke I have a chord and there will be of equal length. So let's name this A, this is B, This is C and this is D. This is the center. Mana hai se kaino se. So this is center O. This last name is P. This is Q high rank color se. So mana pa mi se kaino se. P O se ka O Q ka se la pa mana gani hai no lu hai bani ka. Yan darba. Asi mana ka mana roi ta hai ta ka di we have to prove it ka praman to bada ka tare. Na praman to ra se no. So in order to prove, let's draw two more lines. Similarly, can I go? You see that? OPD have a triangle among Uray, Manakanano, OBQ have a triangle and go Uray Natra. Uray have a triangle and insecure, we need to prove that these two triangles are congruent. Congruent so in Utpadaka with Tinagasinisia. Other name, Kamaita so a statement given the Karipire in a circle with the center O, AB and CD are the two equal chords. Manaba chord ani duni sijika. Ang proof to this na kanano. OP is equal to OQ, which are the perpendicular distance nika. Kantar basa permantology no construction na ko na kay hapsale. We draw OD and OB. Permantology in triangle kanano sa OPD ga kanano mana OQB gada. So when I angle OPD will be equal to angle OQB. Sikarino, both are 90 degree. Then PD will be equal to kanano QB. Sikarino harga. There the PD is half of CD. Mana kanano QB is half of AB. Yantai ko sima. Yantani ko sima. Then after that, kaile more ngo. OD ka kanaga manarakani, OB ka manarakani. Si kaino sa they are the radii of the same circle natra. Ka, circle lam ki sab manara radius na koi manarani ka. Therefore, dun kay daw re triangle OPD will be congruent with triangle kanane ngo. P का Q का माना तो नत्रा P is at where position which position the lake may I the lake may I eliminate Q will be at the center then PD will be equal to QB so B will be here and what is remaining O by kanana na sa RA is congruence na and then ko sa RS congruence triangle se kai wairani congruence wairani oita di ko na kari tole from here OP equal to OQ na tola ba si karina CPCT nika adu di ngo aina pang ki photo pangabi ngo OP equal to OQ pangai natra so hence it is proved anika okay sila sinjalo yang yan dari bus ya yareka okay next day ngo Theorem 10.7 है ऐसे नो Theorem 10.7 the chord equidistant from center are equal in length है का सीधे सब माना है आज की तो मायना कहीं है तो ये बा center के लाभ माना बा chord सिंगल सांगो माना करनी है भी नहीं का क्यों So theorem 10.7 में कहीं है रे the chord which are at equidistance from the center are equal in length habika. Si hausi ki tuka sab mana bani ngo. Sida kari hai se OP se sida nam kai dokte ba sango mana ina piram doi ni ka aduga ABC ka kana ka mana ino toi na CD ka mana ino ko doi ni ka. Sida di hausi ki to sab mana re ngo. Si sa kari hai ki koi na ay hausi ki to mon ula roi ki ka. PD se kana ka mana ki QD ka mana ki bra mana ki ka adu koi double lagta di mana roi tra. Yani ko sima ka sima I pat ki jana si ba ulla roi si ka ang samjalan syllabus kan cover tong na mo ka adai theorem point 10.7 da silai re exercise question naman itong pari ang siyong ka question number 10.4 yung exercise ki question 1 yung siyong ka. So, exercise 10.4, question number 1. Two circles of radii 5 cm and 3 cm intersect at 2 points and distance between their center is 4 cm. Find the length of the common chord. Circle ani lere, circle jani se kari no amana 5 cm radius hoy baka. The circle am lere. Adagi amana kitan fi ale ka amana 3 cm hoy bari na. That's one of the green color. Si center lere, si the center am lere ni circle si ka. Mana hai si kai ne ngo. Center ani ke lap se 4 cm ne hai re. Common chord si kana no AB ni hai re. Ka se ko na C amana O laure kala amana C laure kala si sina AB laure kala si. Aduga circle ani sige radius na kaya no. This is 5 cm and this is 4 cm ka. Sina 3 cm aduga sina 4 cm. Okay nga. Hangis na kanana, we have to find the length of the AB ka. AB sige sama putura ka doy ni. So given the kay pila sa two circle of radius radii haro ka ni sura na 5 cm and 3 cm intersect at A and the B ka aduga kay haire the set distance between the center is kaya na 4 cm ka. Ipapatapos ng kayo na to find the length of the conductor. Common chord kayo pwede na ABC pwede ni ka. Solution na wala siya nga. Sige point sa kayo na kayo lang sila sige that point is point P ka. P is the perpendicular pwede ni. Ado na let's take ay kitang thura gi ang ka. Muna dum yang nga. Thura ga so dum khang ga lay din ni ka. PC se x law ra se lay taga di OP kayo ay gani 4 minus x hoy rani. Janda bre nga. Sida gina si buk se ko ne kay log sale let's take it as x law ra ka. And then sida si buk na kay rani that will be 4 minus x hoy rani. Janda bre sa Philip ke samina 4 hoy na bani na mata sige tawti na 4 minus x ta hoy dra यानी का अदरी यंगा अखोने करी खांगे से कमान कोट सिंगे बिले जे परपेंडिकुलर way हाइड्रा perpendicular way हमने के दौरे we have a triangle come triangle now AOP हाइड्रा का so we have CP perpendicular to another now AB therefore angle CPA will be equal to 90 so in right triangle another say ACP by Pythagoras theorem Kailani AC square will be equal to sorry AO then you got AO square will be equal to this is 4 OP square plus AP square so again AP put more so let's name it this equation number 1 in the right triangle is PC so AC square will be equal to AP square plus PC square so again AP put AC square minus PC square will be equal to AP square this is equation number 2 and sibok silohan ako then from equation 1 and 2 kay le lagi ako AP so mana rakatra mana reka so from equation 1 and 2 kari pangyase AO square minus OP square will be equal to AC square minus PC square. So value sinjalo AO is kanano that is 5 centimeter. OP na kayano OP is 4 minus X. AC is how much? This is 3. PC is how much? That is X ka. Sige, pangyan 25 minus 16 minus 8x plus x square 9 minus x. Then you remove the bracket from here. So what do you have? Ready get already, x always from the club to thorough. So here x, so 25 minus 6 is 9 ले का plus सीधों को थोड़ा अधिक करना लेके 8x ले रहे x square minus 9 plus x will be equal to 0 yang terus ya yang ini kau singgah jadi lagi yang mesti lagi sorry this one is for square no ya terus ya so then what do you have lagi yang 5 square layer this will be minus 6 plus layer ka because to the minus layer ni this also will be minus yung to sa layer kailangan siya no so 16 tayo ka plus layer this will be minus so natanda layer natin since kang nagyara ba tayo ka so x square get cancel so what is remaining 9 minus 9 is 0 yaw ka so minus 9 later ka hindi kayo pangyasa 8x equal to 0 later then x will be equal to so 0 lagi x tayo pangyasa x will be equal to 0 yan tayo ka at PC se kya hoye x 0 hoye ka 0 hoye bina kayo ni then OP will be how much 4 minus x therefore 4 minus 0 is 4 yan tayo ko sa at yan si kayo ko ni ngo OP से 4 पंगे नत्रा तो कोई कई कुतिना से AP कुछ को नत्रा so once again in right triangle kanano AOP the AO square will be equal to AP square plus OP square so AO was how much 5 later ni AP kaya pangre jito kaya pangiba AP khangdri ka AP je kaya lai ba so AP will be here the OP di kaya pangre ho je 4 pangre ka and AB will be kaya lak ne nga 5 square minus 4 square that will be equal to AP square. So that is 25 minus 16 equal to AP square. So AP will be 9 AP square. So square of 30 kaya say AP will be how much? That will be 3. And the AP 3 pang tari ko say we also knew that kadi kangre AB is how much? AB is 2 times of AP. Therefore, 2 into 3 centimeter. So that is equal to 6 centimeter. Hence, the length of the common chord is 6 centimeter. Okay, note it down. Sinjalo simaka. याद से यारे को दे परेंगो ngasi question 1 si lo sela sika to hay makha ta bom leina sika khang da kota ba yaura di phone torok pane khang de whatsapp chane khang de hairo ka okay then bye bye see you all in the next class.